The Asplenium Australasicum, commonly known as the bird's nest fern, is a stunning tropical fern species that adds a touch of lush greenery and elegance to any indoor or outdoor space. With its unique fronds resembling a bird's nest, this fern has gained popularity among plant enthusiasts and gardeners alike. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore everything you need to know about growing and caring for Asplenium Australasicum, from the ideal growing conditions to propagation techniques and maintenance tips. Choosing the right location. The bird's nest fern thrives in indirect or filtered light, making it an ideal choice for areas with dappled shade or well-lit indoor spaces. Avoid exposing it to direct sunlight, as it can scorch the delicate fronds. Find a spot with moderate humidity levels and stable temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius, for optimal growth. Soil requirements. Create a well-draining potting mix by combining equal parts peat moss, perlite, and orchid bark. This mixture provides adequate moisture retention while preventing waterlogged conditions that can harm the plant's roots. Bird's nest ferns also grow well when mounted on tree fern plaques or pieces of driftwood. Watering and humidity. Maintaining consistent moisture is essential for the bird's nest fern. Water the plant thoroughly when the top inch of the soil feels dry, ensuring the water drains freely from the pot. Fertilization. Feed your bird's nest fern with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength every 2 to 3 months during the growing season, spring and summer. Propagation. You can propagate bird's nest fern through spores or division. Spores are tiny, dust-like particles found on the undersides of mature fronds. Collect these spores and sprinkle them on a moist growing medium, covering the tree with plastic wrap to maintain humidity. Pruning and maintenance. Regularly remove any yellowing or damaged fronds to maintain the plant's health and appearance. Gently wipe the fronds with a damp cloth to remove dust, allowing them to absorb light efficiently. Common issues. The bird's nest fern can face certain challenges, including root rot caused by overwatering or inadequate drainage. Ensure proper watering practices and a well-draining soil mix to prevent this. Low humidity levels may lead to brown tips on the fronds, so increase humidity by misting or using a humidifier.